Kia ora. Well, we're just getting ready to head away again. Been home a few days. And Joe's just packing all the snacks in the snack cupboard.
The most important thing.
Yeah.
And the crackers.
Yeah, we've got the crackers. So we've all fueled up. We're all watered up. We're all cleaned up. We're coked up. And we're ready to rumble. We've stopped for a wee cup of tea and a bit of lunch. And it's such a lovely day, but the forecast is absolutely terrible.
But it's not going to be. It's going to be beautiful.
Well, we've had our lunch and we're going to head away. Somewhere up a bit further, eh?
Mm. Yes.
Well, we're just watching as we're waiting on the tea to cook. We're watching one of our favourite YouTubers. Paul and Carol love to travel, and they're hopping on in Singapore, which we're going to be doing in a month or so.
Yes, in November.
Yeah, their cruise. They do mostly cruising anyway.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Oops.
We are. No, it's probably not, but we'll find out what it's called when we get there.
So our tea's ready.
Oh, yes.
As we continue to watch Paul and Carol. Of course, tonight we've got karaage,
French
French fries, chippies, lovely salad that Joe made. I've got eggs. Joe doesn't eat eggs.
No, I don't eat eggs.
No, and some sauce and stuff. So yeah, meanwhile, looks like Paul and Carol are having chips with cheese on them. Well, we finished our tea and it was lovely, beautiful, and we're watching another Dunediners.
Yes.
Dunedinites we called, aren't we? Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, they're Russell and Amanda from the Heimer Times, and they're currently over in Ireland doing a series of vlogs. They normally do what we do, trip around in their camper van.
Yes. Now we're watching them over there in Ireland.
We did the dishes, sat down and watched another couple of videos before heading off to bed. Well, it's another night, another cosy night.
Good night's
Waimate.
sleep.
Yeah.
It was lovely. Nice and quiet.
It was nice and quiet. I remember the last time we were here, dogs barked all through the night, didn't they?
Yes, but not last night.
No.
It was lovely.
The dogs must have been away on holiday too. So, well, we didn't get far. We drove about 5 k's down the road to find what's always been our favourite cafe called Nosh. I think we've told you about it before. You can't beat it, can you?
No, it's yummy in here. Let's go.
We'll show you. So you can see why we love coming here. Look at the selection. Come here hungry and you won't be disappointed. Now for all you Lord of the Rings fans, and I know there's millions of you out there, this is one of the original ogres that, is it ogres that was on the set. As the lady from the cafeteria here in Nosh said, it's had a bit of damage, but this was one of the props. But there's a lovely little courtyard out here in Nosh. And how I remember it, this has been a cafeteria since I was a kid. And I can always remember when we used to pass it in the 60s. It was exactly 100 miles from this cafeteria to Dunedin. Got to be the best coffee around, I tell you. Superb. We headed off and went up the western side of South Canterbury.
There's nothing better than stopping at the side of the road and having a nice cup of tea. There's Ladybird in the background. And it's a gorgeous day here. It's lovely.
It's the moonrise taking shape. You got the whole world pressing your face, and when you look around, all you see are the stars. What they say, they don't know. It's like a paper cut that seems to grow until all that hurt seems to feel like, oh, you're down on your knees and over your head, all the bad memories.
The beautiful part about our country is that no matter where you go, you're not very far away from water, whether it be ocean or rivers. So we've arrived at a beautiful wee place that we always said we were going to stop by. The last couple of times we've just passed through, and it's called Geraldine. So we're going to wander the main street and see what's on offer. What a beautiful place. For Kiwis over mid-50s, I'm pretty sure you'll remember and recognise all these classic posters. It's one of my favourite albums of all time, the 1971 Loxine Golden Disc. Well, that was really cool. Geraldine is such a lovely wee place. Highly recommend it if you're driving through. Don't drive through, stop and check out what's about. We settled in and had a lovely afternoon relaxing. Well, we've arrived in a wet and windy old Christchurch, and where we were going to park is a bit too sort of boggy, so we've decided to come to an actual motor camp, which we've stayed here before. It's called the Tasman Holiday Park, and it's quite busy really for this time of the year. There's, as you can see, there are motor homes and caravans everywhere, but we've stopped here, we're plugged in, we're going to get everything sorted out and do a bit of relaxing, because there's not a lot you can do on a day like today.
No. We can watch the races.
Correct, that's what we'll do. Watch some races, and I think there's some rugby on later on. So it's going to be one of those relaxing, restful, peaceful days. We're just going to have a wee look around this motor camp, see what's on offer. We have stayed here once before, you'll probably remember in one of our earlier videos, but it was a while ago. Up here we've got the shower block and the entertainment room. There's also cooking. There's the laundry, and there's the women's showers, and the men's showers are down there. In the dining room we've just gone past. As we come out here, there's more park up areas, and the swimming pool is over there next to the playground.
Oh, should we go and have a look?
Let's go and have a look.
Let's go and have a look at the swimming pool. Isn't it? It's bigger than
You would think, this being winter, that there wouldn't be too many people here, but it's fairly packed. It's probably just as packed as it was when we were here in that summertime. There's also cabins and motel units that you can hire, and there's big family units, which is over here. If you're familiar with chess and snook ball. Now I have no idea what snook ball is. If you know, let us know down in the comments. Oh, here's a games room in here.
games room, yeah.
Let's have a wee look. And the TV lounge. Yeah, I bet you already.
Oh, it's gone under there.
I won. And here is the TV lounge. So there's more laundry there and another kitchen and also another dining room. So there's really ample facilities. So there's the swimming pool there, and from the sounds of it there's quite a few in there, so that's good. I hope it's heated. Well, that was a very pleasant night, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
Slept like a log again.
And the day has dawned fine after yesterday's
Crappy weather.
yeah. I'm just looking up here. We're going to drive that way, but there's a dog the size of this van. I don't know whether you can pick it up on this camera.
Like a sheepdog.
Yeah, that's what it's like. What a cool looking dude. Right, well,
They've got it in a van.
yeah, and it's just in a wee van, so no wonder it needs a walk. So let's go check it out.
Oh, look. He's gorgeous. He's looking.
We were in Christchurch for a specific reason. We took Ladybird back to UCC where we bought it to get extra solar panels put in to double our capacity.
Now we've got the lone car, and there's Ladybird out there.
Right, yeah, this car is a wee bit different, isn't it?
It's a wee Mazda.
Can't see out the window.
Can't see out the window.
And this is one of the reasons why I wouldn't live in a big city like this. We've gone about 2 kilometres and it's taken us about 7.5 days.
We've finished our business in Christchurch, haven't we, Ray?
Yeah.
Now we're heading down to...
Somewhere down the centre of the South Island.
Yeah.
We'll see, but we've got massive wind warnings.
Yes, so that's not nice, driving in wind. Oi.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens. Well, we'll leave that one there. Thanks so much for watching.
And remember, if you like what you saw, like and subscribe. And hey, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
We can take